Okay guys, check this new space out. We're out here in Richmond, Texas. It's on the outskirts of Houston. And this is a brand new theater. We're gonna be doing a renovation in here. As you can see, the guys have already been in here doing some work. We have the riser already built out and we have some of the trim going up right now, but that's basically the idea behind today's video. It's not gonna be the entire build for this one, but maybe I'll stitch them together once everything is all done with all these videos in series. So you guys can check that out like on a playlist. But we're doing this brand new theater in here. I think it's gonna be a 5.2.4 Dolby Atmos system. And I'm gonna turn it over to Cameron in a second over here at Insane AV. He's gonna let you guys know what he's doing with the space, a little more of the details with the room, as well as some of the ideas of why things were chosen to do, why they were chosen to do what they're doing. So I'm gonna get into all that. We're gonna do it right after the intro.
All right, so what we got here, the room is 15 wide by about 17 foot deep. But one of the issues we have is that we got this doorway here kind of at an angle. So it's really gonna restrict what we could do with regards to rear speakers. So the customers decided to go ahead and just do a 5.2.4. It's gonna be a totem acoustic system. We've got the Kin LCR is gonna be going into the front. And then we've got the Slim 6 walls. And then 4 of the Slim 6 in ceilings going in this particular install. We're also going to be doing in-wall subwoofers. It's going to be the Tribe Double 8s ×2. And probably going to put one in the front corner on the right side, and then probably put one in the back wall here in the back left. Give a good balance for the room. We've already had the electricians in here. They have roughed in for the sconces and then also changed out, put the recessed lighting in. We're gonna have to do a little drywall patch up where the original light fixture was, and possibly a few other drywall patches, but not a whole lot. What we're doing now is we're paneling out the room. We're putting in taller 6-inch baseboards and creating a recessed panel effect around the faux columns. And then we're getting ready right now. We're gonna do up about a 4.5-inch crown molding. So yeah, I mean, we're just trucking along. The screen for this particular install is gonna be a 120-inch wide, 130 diagonal, 235 Stewart Studio Tech 130 G4. And the projector is gonna be an Epson 6050. It's going to be a nice little setup. There's going to be 4 seats in the front row and 3 seats in the back row. Trim's all going to be done out in black. Ceiling is going to be black. Front wall and then up to the front columns is going to be black. And then we're going to do varying shades of gray within the panel work. The panel work is actually going to get a little bit intricate, as you'll see in future videos. We're just laying down the framework for the actual details that are going to be coming, later today and into tomorrow. So, but it's going to be a nice little room when it's done.
All right, guys, so check it out. This is going to be another update in the series. Last time I was here, we didn't have any of this stuff done. It's looking really, really premium right now. So I'm going to turn it over to Cameron. He's going to let you guys know exactly what they've done since last time, and then some tips and tricks along the way.
Well, I don't know about tips and tricks, you know, but we finished all the moldings and all of the trim work. We had a day of painting prep. Now we're applying all the different paints. This room's gonna have 5 different paints. There's a satin black on all of the trim. And then we're doing 4 different colors in the room itself. We've got
zoom out to get all that in there because it's not going to be appreciated if I'm too close. So it's kind of like a gradation of grays or colors.
It's going to be, so like I said, the trim is all satin black. It just gives that, just the little sheen to it. And then we're doing the front wall all black, the side panels black, so that screen is just going to really stand out. And then we started doing some dark grays and some medium grays, carrying the black a little bit. And then as we moved towards the back, we started introducing more of the medium gray and a lighter gray, and then into the back, predominantly light gray. And then the ceiling will be black as well. The other things we've taken care of, we've patched the drywall. So we got the ceiling patched up. We had 5 holes in the front that we had to patch, cut out for the speakers. There's going to be the LCRs around the screen. This is not acoustically transparent. We're going to have a double 8 subwoofer in the front corner, and then we're also going to have another double 8 here in the back. So it's going to be a nice balance throughout the room with the bottom end.
Cool. Anything else?
Not really. We're just going to keep trucking along with the paint, and carpet is ordered. It's going to be put in, I believe, next week. And then after that, we will come and install all the equipment. Chairs have already arrived, screens already arrived, so.
Yeah, and this isn't a typical install. This is a renovation, and this was designed to be a renovation from beginning to end. So don't think that we're going to come into your house and just throw our stuff everywhere. This is a work in progress for sure, and we clean up at the end of the day, so you guys can still use your space if you need to. But I think that this is a good stopping point for today. I think we're just going to wrap it up here, and then the next one we'll chime in on will be the actual full install video of the speakers proper, the projection screen, and basically the home theater. We're going to make this a home theater. So we're going to end this video off here. This is going to be the end of the renovation. If you guys want work like this done, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'll leave our information right down here and also in the description. This is Cameron over at Insane AV, one of Dreamedia's preferred installers out here in the Houston market. So that's all I got for you guys. Yeah, just make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.
Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.